Namaste everyone, welcome to a new episode of Restore Your Natural Vitality. Sit on your heels in Vajrasana with your palms on your knees. Exhale forcefully through your nose as you bend forward. Inhale as you return to the initial position. Keep your elbows close to your body. Over time, gradually increase the speed and the number of reps up to 24. Only perform this exercise at higher speeds when your body is fully warmed up. Conclude the practice by sitting in stillness and silence for a few moments, observing its impact on your body, mind, and energy.